Today we're diving into the fantastic world of anime. Don't worry if you're an anime newbie, this video is for you. We'll be using Midjourney to create anime-style images. And yes, you can use Niji-style commands in Midjourney. I'll show you how. You don't need to know the technical details to get specialized anime styles. But before we dive in, I've got some exciting news. Today's video is sponsored by PandoraAI. They've created a super cool avatar generator that lets you create personalized avatars from just 5 photos. We'll delve into this more a little bit later. For now, let's get back to anime. Get ready to dip your toes into a rich and vibrant art style that's taken the world by storm. Anime is a style of cartoon art that comes from Japan. Think Disney or Pixar with its own unique, colorful spin. Anime is full of bright colors, characters with big sparkly eyes and over-the-top hairstyles, and a crazy amount of detail. There are action-packed battles in sci-fi cities, touching romances in high school settings, and epic journeys into fantasy worlds. Anime really has it all. Anime has a long history and branches out into many different styles, but this video is an introduction to the style. The good news? With Midjourney, you don't need to have a lot of background in anime to create anime-style art. Anime characters have a certain look. The first thing you'll probably notice is the eyes. They're big, like really big, often filled with shiny highlights and lots of color. This helps to show a ton of emotion. The features are simplified but with a really distinct, sharp line, showing a lot of character. Then there's the hair. Anime characters have the wildest hairstyles that are spiky, flowy, or even gravity-defying. And they come in every color you can think of, from blue to pink and everything in between. The outfits can be super detailed too, from everyday school uniforms to out-of-this-world battle armor. Characters are drawn with so much attention to detail it can blow your mind. The settings or backgrounds are also a big part of it. They can be super realistic, like a real Japanese city street, or totally fantastical, like a magical kingdom with floating islands. And the whole world can be tilted on end, giving the images a dynamic energy. But it's not just about the look of the characters. Color and light plays a big part too. Bright colors for happy scenes, or dark and shadowy colors for the intense, serious moments. It's all about setting the mood. Remember though, anime isn't just one style. There's loads of different ways to do it, depending on the artist or what kind of story they're telling. Now that you're getting the hang of anime styles, let's take a moment to talk about our sponsor, PandoraAI. This is an app that creates personal avatars, and some of them are anime. With just 5 photos, you can create hundreds of stunning personal avatars, and I'm here to show you how it works. You can use any photos, selfies, pictures of your favorite anime characters, or even comic book heroes, and Pandora just does the rest. PandoraAI is perfect for customizing your digital presence. You can try it for yourself, just click the link in the description below. And the best part, PandoraAI's avatar generator is available both on their website and as a mobile app. You can try it out for yourself right now. Remember, the more you play around with it, the more creative you can get. So why wait? Click on the link in the description below and head over to PandoraAI and start making your own avatars today. And don't forget to share your creations with me. I'd love to see what you come up with. Let's start creating some anime characters in Midjourney. You might know that Midjourney has a tool especially trained for anime. It's called Nijijourney. I showed you Nijijourney when it first came out. If you subscribe to Midjourney, you also have Niji-Journey. But did you know you can also use the Niji-Journey specialized anime styles in Midjourney? You can, and I'll show you how. So you can simply ask for anime-style images in Midjourney, and you'll get an image in a general anime style. But Midjourney has so much more anime styling to offer. Currently, version 5.1 is Midjourney's default version. But type /settings into the message bar and switch to Niji 5, and this opens up a whole new world of the anime style. You'll notice that --Niji 5 appears after your prompt. But anime style isn't just one look. There are a lot of different styles of anime. And lately, Nijijourney has been rolling out specialized anime styles. Using these style parameters will completely change the look of your image. Let's try out a few. These style parameters work because you're working in Niji 5. You can't use them in Midjourney version 5 or version 5.1. Expressive Style is more realistic in 3D. Your characters feel like they come to life. If you're new to anime, you might like Expressive Style. It has a little more of a Western aesthetic, so it may be a little bit closer to the styles you're familiar with. The drawings are warm with rich colors. Use the Expressive Style by typing --style expressive at the end of your prompt. I'll put a link to more information about what makes Expressive Style tick in the description below. Cute Style creates whimsical, charming anime characters. The style is 2D with light, flat shading and a lot of negative space. Your images are filled with soothing, decorative details. The beauty is in the simplicity. So take your time and find the hidden treasures in the image. Use the cute styling by typing --style cute at the end of your prompt. Create a narrative with your images in Scenic Style. Not only does this style generate stunning backgrounds, but it seamlessly integrates your characters into those fantastical landscapes. Characters truly interact with their environment, bringing depth, emotion, and impact to your scenes. Scenic is a shot straight out of the movies. Use the Scenic Style by typing --style scenic at the end of your prompt. There is one more anime style parameter, --style original. This is an old school throwback to when Niji was first introduced. You can really see how the anime style has evolved over the last few months. Use the original style by typing --style original at the end of your prompt. But you can also dial in more or less of the style by adding the Stylize parameter. If you haven't used this Stylize parameter before, it sets the amount of Midjourney style you want in your image. If you want more of the anime style, type --stylize and a number after your prompt. By default, Stylize is set at 100, but you can go as high as 1000. Use --stylize 1000 to really pump up those anime styles. When you're ready, you can start adding specific anime art terms to your prompt, like chibi, which I introduced in the video Prompt Secrets, 20 Midjourney styles to make your AI images pop. Or prompt for a popular anime artist. Anime has a long history, and you can prompt for historical anime, like retro 1970s anime. Or prompt for manga instead of anime. Anime is primarily animated and can have really wild and colorful art with flashy effects. Manga is used more in comic books or graphic novels, and uses cool inking techniques to show action and feelings. If you're brand new to anime, here are some basic anime style prompts to get you started. With Midjourney, you're all set to explore the world of anime, even if you're just starting out. The AI takes care of all the hard stuff, letting you focus on your creativity. Time to let your imagination run wild and create some amazing anime art. Let us know your favorite anime style prompts in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.